Behold! We have left Earth to bring you our latest extravaganza. If you've seen our previous episodes, you know Smashed is the #1 program in LEGO disassembly sports entertainment. Granted, it's a quite narrow focus, but we're proud to bring you the best in LEGO sets being obliterated by drops, tosses, collisions, and projectiles. But in recent weeks, our show has been infested with the tennis ball bandits who destroy all they see with their namesake rocketing orbs. So this week, we're turning a new leaf. While our producers on Earth are attempting to bring the tennis ball bandits to justice with the combined forces of the FBI, the Texas Rangers, Interpol, MI6, the ghosts of Jack Webb, and the 1980s supergroup The Highwaymen, along with the police forces of Paradise, California, and Da Nang, Vietnam, we're smashing the format of this show to bring you the unbelievable diorama of space LEGO sets you see before you. What's more, there's a mystery at the heart of this that has brought these diverse explorers, aliens, robots, and spaceships all together. If you're just now joining us, I'm Fernando Von Wang McGillicuddy, coming to you live in Smash-A-Vision from Moon Base Z19. With me today on the other side of the command capsule is our color commentator, Sprout McGee. Sprout, what's that you see at the starboard viewport?
We see the most expansive set of LEGO creations ever devised for this channel. There are too many to list here, 22 overall, so we've listed each one in the description below. Some notable ships, the 2022 Galaxy Explorer, as well as the 2 official alternate builds, the instructions of which are in the description below also. We have 2 rocket sets, the legendary LEGO Ideas Exosuit, as well as 6 Buzz Lightyear ships modified into fighters. Finally, we see the Disney Kingdom Space Agency contingent represented by Mickey and Minnie Mouse, showcasing their Flash Gordon-inspired rocket. What we're looking at here is over 12,000 LEGO pieces.
I know you've explained this to me several times, but I swear what you call Mickey Mouse is a legit, not of this world space alien. Look, while these minifigures need helmets and life support systems carried around in backpacks, Mickey and Minnie have their faces bared to the freezing temperatures and vacuum of space. That, and their strange radar-like appendages.
Those are ears, Fernando.
Are they? Are they, Sprout? They're perfectly concave round discs. Now, if you look around, you'll see the humans from Earth, Earthlings if you will, have carefully constructed enclosures to protect their delicate bodies from the harsh radiation and lack of air for which space is famous. And yet there's Mickey and Minnie with their command center open on all sides. But enough about Mickey and Minnie's true alien nature. It seems there's another mysterious alien influence at play. Tell us about that.
On a recent survey mission in this lunar canyon, Mickey and Minnie discovered this frozen, lifeless robot. It was damaged as though in combat, so they radioed the classic Space LEGO Agency, the LEGO City Moon Agency, you can see their rockets and moon bases there, as well as Star Command. With the command's wing of modified XL-15 fighters, captained by Buzz Lightyear, they protected this area while everyone constructed this vast moon base Z19. Z after the last letter of the alphabet, and 19 after the number 19. With any luck, their combined brain power will unravel the mysteries of this mysterious robot.
All very intriguing. Look at them all together. This little fella has taken some moon rocks. This one has some robot pieces on a cart to take for study. It's almost like this is the birth of a federation of space forces, a burgeoning galactic empire, if you will.
A coalition of clumsy references and ham-handed Easter eggs.
Don't be a Weisenheimer.
A panoply of warmed-over pop culture touchstones.
All right, you've made your point.
Not everything has to be an Easter egg.
Anyway, this is just fascinating. What wonders will we find when these brave explorers unlock the riddles of this ancient robot? I can only imagine that... No! Gee, Rover Cripes! It looks like the tennis ball bandits have made it into space and are now attacking Moon Base Z19!
It's going to be a massacre.
Massacre at Moon Base Z19. That does sound exciting. Write that down. That's a good YouTube title. Oh dear, they've hit one of the rockets. I think there was a cat in that rocket.
Seems unlikely.
There goes the other rocket. This is just a tragedy, but weirdly compelling. So terrible to see. So difficult to look away. There goes the moon buggy. Was there a dog in there?
I doubt it, but it sounded pretty close.
These bandits are taking apart this complex piece by piece. Lord howdy! That just proves what my great-grandmother said when she was wagoneering across the American prairie. It always hurts to see a robot vaporized by a tennis ball to the face. She had tuberculosis at the time, so everyone assumed it was just a fever dream. But look at this! We miss you, Gammy! Oh, there goes the Lunar Research Base's main research habitat. Popped like a balloon.
This is horrible. I would sure hate to meet my maker after freezing and suffocating in the vacuum of space.
Exactly. Well, that and an avalanche of expired Easter peeps, but I think that just goes without saying. I don't know why that just popped into my head. I think I might be having a mini stroke, prompted by the sheer terror of this attack. Was there a chimpanzee in there? And bam! There goes one of the Galaxy Explorer alternative builds.
Really makes you think.
And the Galaxy Explorer takes a catastrophic hit to its iconic yellow command deck window. Yellow glass in space, what a weird choice. But I shouldn't speak ill of the dead, or... Remember kids, these figures are not dead, they're just sleeping. Right, Sprout?
Yes, sleeping. Forever.
Was there an American brown bear in there? Oh, there goes the Lunar Space Station, which is quite different from the Lunar Base. I don't know why they put Lunar on everything. They should just say base. We're all up here on the moon. Oh! Did they have an African lion in there?
I don't know.
Majabbers! There goes the arm of the little green spaceman's mech suit.
There goes his other arm.
It looks like the bandits are zeroing in on him, so he better hot-foot it out of there. Oi, 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 and that's all she wrote on the Green Spaceman. Always a bad day when you get bounced off a radar dish. You would think with giant metal legs that he would be able to make a speedy run for it, but instead he just stood there and got atomized. I think I just heard a blue whale in there.
Seems unlikely for the moon.
Almost as if on cue, with their base in tatters around them, the command center takes a direct hit. Buzz Lightyear, The red and white spacemen, Mickey and Minnie all go flying while their central computer explodes in every direction. It's almost as if these heartless tennis ball bandits plan to torture our central figures, taking them out only after they've witnessed the ruin of all their ambitions. Almost operatic in its depravity. What twisted monsters.
So, Fernando, what was all this for? What was the mystery of the super robots discovered on the moon?
I think that's obvious now, Sprout. It was all a ruse. Obviously, the robots were put there to lure us and all these fallen heroes to this secluded moon canyon so the tennis ball bandits could ambush us all. It's really quite obvious when you stop to think about it. So, if you like this kind of mayhem, please like and subscribe. And once you're a subscriber, you can leave a comment to win this. It's a Mega CONSTRUX set of a queen from the Alien series. This is one of the lesser-known Disney princess queens, but still important nonetheless. So please, leave a comment, and when we hit 200 subscribers, you could win this. So now, the tennis ball bandits have come to space. They have attacked these beautiful sets in spectacular fashion. Will we ever rid ourselves of their ball-flinging ways? Will 6-year-olds ever stop laughing at the term ball-flinging? Will we ever find peace again? Spoiler alert, no! See you next time, bye-bye!